Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of stopping posts from specific friends on Facebook. Sometimes you may want to limit the content you see on your newsfeed. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Your home page will appear, displaying your newsfeed. Step 2. Scroll to a post from the friend whose posts you no longer want to view in your newsfeed. Step 3. While scrolling, you'll notice a downward pointing arrow appearing to the right of the post. Step 4. Click on the downward pointing arrow to open a list of options. Step 5. From the options, click on Unsubscribe from Sycamore. As a result, the post will disappear, and a message will appear indicating that the friend's posts will no longer appear in your newsfeed. By following these steps, you can customize your Facebook newsfeed and control the content you see. It's a helpful feature to prioritize the posts that are most relevant and interesting to you. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to stop receiving posts from friends on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.